there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today we're about to go to the nail shop to get a feel. I'm not really sure what design or what type of style or even shape of nail I want this time, and I'm not really sure on which nail shop I'm going to go to. If you've been following my nail vlogs, then you know I've been trying, I've been trying a few different nail shops. Recently, I went back to my original or standard nail tech, and I love the outcome. So I'm debating, should I go back to her or should I try someone new? I don't know, but I still do want like a backup option in case I decide I no longer want to go to her, for sure. I still want to make sure that I have other options out there. So I'm trying to think, like, is today a day that I want to kind of try out something new, or is today the day that I want to go back to my nail shop? I guess the determining factor will be how long the wait is. So I'm going to go to the original nail shop first and see how long the wait is. If it's not too long, then I'm going to get my nails done by her. If it is too long, I'm going to try to search around and see who else has openings that can get me in sooner. Keep in mind that it is Saturday. No, it's not Saturday. It's Friday. So it may be busy. I know Fridays and Saturdays are typically busy, but it may not be. So this is what I'm working with right now. As you can see, I definitely need a feel. They're mood changing, or this is the mood changing polish. So it changes to like a turquoise color when I'm cold, but right now it's warm. So I kind of like this shape and I kind of like this length. Before I've had, I typically wear the stiletto or pointy nails, and I wear them very long. But I'm kind of getting used to the shorter nails. I kind of like the look on me. I really do. It's grown on me. And so I think I'm going to keep them this length. I think, and I like kind of like the color too. So I may get a neutral color. I may not. I don't know. But I want to take you out with me on this journey. So before we get started, before I power up the car or start up the car, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. Let's go. Okay, everyone, we are out of the nail shop. We are done. I'm going to film this video right now while I am still in the nail parking lot. So I decided to go back to my original nail tech. It was a great experience again. So that's like, well, last time I went, so 2 weeks ago, it was a good experience. This week, it was a good experience, meaning that all of the vibes were positive. I felt like I was being treated with great customer service, and I enjoyed it. I also liked the outcome. So I wish I had some lotion. Typically I carry lotion in my car, but I just cleaned my car out and I didn't put any lotion in here. I just have like receipts and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like. I decided to keep them short. I decided to keep them square, and I did go for nude just because I was feeling like a nude color. So these are what my nails look like. Again, I apologize, I don't have any lotion, so ignore the stuff around my nails. But this is what they look like. I really like them. I really like them a lot. Like I said, I was going for like a nude color. I am starting to like the shorter nails. They are growing on me. I don't know why. I didn't expect that I would start liking shorter nails. I thought that this time for sure I was definitely going to go back to my longer nails. I have an overlay. So I'm still liking the overlay. I think I'm going to get them cut next time, just because I don't want them to get too long at this point, because I really am enjoying the nude nails. I paid $40 for the fill, and it was a gel fill with gel polish, and I really, really like it. I hope that you can see it. Okay. I think the application was really well. It's very smooth. I was nervous about keeping the short nails because I didn't want them to be like super, super thick. I like my nails thick, but not I don't like them super thick when they're this length. Just because, like I said, they're kind of shorter, but when my nails are long, I do prefer a thicker nail. And I like the look when they're longer for them to be a little bit thicker. But I absolutely love these. Let me know what you all think. Again, ignore the white around my nails. I don't have lotion in the car, but I am going to go get some. I've been meaning to put lotion in my car for the past like 2-3 days, and I just keep forgetting. But yes, this is what the nails look like this time. I am really happy. I hope that you all can see. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you like these nails, if you don't. I'm trying to think if I want to do a mini vlog today or not. I may just end it here because I really just wanted to show you how the nails looked. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and end it here, and then I'll do another video. Oh, I wanted to ask you all, do you think that I should get some, because I'm right down the street from Sally's, so some of those like what do they call, like jewels to put on my nails, because they are nude, maybe just to give it a little bit more spunk, a little bit more life. Should I add some jewels on it, or should I just keep rocking out the nude? Let me know, because I was gonna stop and get like some rhinestones to put on maybe a few nails, or maybe even like rhinestones around the shape of the nail. I don't know. I like the nude though. I don't know. I'm kind of undecided. Let me know what you would do. Would you get some rhinestones, or would you just leave it as is? So thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure that you are subscribed. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Hey there, I'm back. I just wanted to come back with a close-up really quick because I put some lotion on, and I just wanted you to be able to see what it looks like with the lotion on. But I think I had this color already. I really think I had this color. I think maybe 2 months ago I had the same new color when my nails were longer and like stiletto. So I don't even think this is like something new that I tried. So let me know. I am so sorry if this set isn't exciting, because I wanted it to be kind of different. I mean, I guess it is kind of different because I never had this color with this shape and this length, but still, I don't know. Now, when I'm looking up close, I can kind of see some inconsistency with the shape that I didn't originally see when I was at the shop. That's why I probably should have waited to record this video until I got home, because a lot of times you can't see everything until you stop moving, get out the car, and, you know, really look at your nails. But like, I don't know if this is, I think this is acrylic, or not acrylic, gel. I may have to wash my hands and try to get that off. But okay, so this nail right here on the side, I'm gonna have to file this, if you can see that. Also, I don't really like how it's not even around my cuticles. Now, it's not as bad as it was the shop I went to before last, where I showed you all how the nails looked the first time that I got the overlay. It was very inconsistent around my cuticle bit, but this isn't too bad, but it's still not, I don't know. I don't like how it looks around the cuticle bit. I think it could have been a lot neater. Let me look at the other hand. This hand looks a little bit better to me, but still, yeah, this one looks a little bit better to me. This one looks a little bit better. This one's, and again, it's not horrible. I don't hate these nails. I don't regret going back. I just, you know, there's a few things on the nails that I can probably touch up myself. But again, you know, when I leave the shop, I prefer not to have to touch up anything. So I don't know if I'm just noticing these things because my nails are shorter, versus when they're longer, because for some reason it's like I can just notice the, you know, the cuticle area a lot more when they're shorter than I, you know, noticed when they were longer. I don't know if that's just something weird with me, or, you know, if you all have that experience as well. But just wanted to come back on here so you can see the, you know, the full product. I did have this color before. I strongly believe that I did. I just have never had it with this length and this shape, like I mentioned before. I'm overall happy with the nails. There's just a few things I'm going to have to touch up right there. And I mean, I'm probably not going to touch that up, but yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'm gone this time. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.